freak biblical weather sparks apocalyptic warnings as sandstorm blocks sun in Middle East. A freak sandstorm has swept across the Middle East, sparking claims of a biblical event and an apocalyptic warning, as the extreme weather engulfed Egypt before heading towards Israel. A huge sandstorm that can even be seen from space has swept across the Middle East this week, sparking apocalyptic fears among residents. The sandstorm appeared to block out the sun in parts of Egypt on Friday, where extreme widespread flooding has already killed at least 5 people. Egypt declared a state of emergency on Thursday ahead of the devastating floods and sandstorm, which was tied to a rare intense cyclone. Weather maps show a huge sandstorm heading towards the Sinai Peninsula and Israel, following Egypt. This could see huge amounts of Saharan dust wreak havoc in northern Saudi Arabia and Israel. The cyclone system is moving across the entire Middle East, unleashing gusts of 130 km per hour. Mud rain flooding will also move into Turkey and Jordan and the eastern Mediterranean.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.